Outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay, Trent.
Still with the girls that they inside.
Okay, Trent.
Gotta watch the time, 'cause it's flying like that. I'm outside.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually going to be structured a little different. I feel like we're always working on stuff on either the Camaro here or my truck out there, and today I feel like I will change it up. So basically, I haven't met him yet, but I joined in on this guy's TikTok live, and he has a Scat Pack Challenger. And so naturally, I was saying that it was slow and all that other good stuff, but I ended up finding out that he also lives in Houston. So he actually invited me out to a car meet later on tonight. So we're gonna be getting this thing washed up. I know it looks clean on camera, but this thing is actually quite dirty if you see it in person. So we have to get this thing washed up. We do have a few things that we are going to be installing on this, not in today's video, but I do have a few things lined up. Not sure how much I want to show you, but if you guys see over here in this area right here, I'll show you that right there. And you see that's a big tire right there. So we definitely have some things coming, but other than that, guys, yeah, so that's what we're doing with the Camaro. I know I've been slacking on the truck, guys, so I know a lot of you guys don't really care about this car, even though I love this car, so you're gonna see it regardless. But I know a lot of you guys on my channel are here for this thing right here, and I know I've been slacking on the videos, and I promise I don't mean to, but like, the reason you guys haven't really been seeing any videos on this truck is basically this truck needs an overhaul. So it's been built since like 2020. So we are now in 2024, and 4 years of abuse is finally kind of starting to show itself. I don't necessarily mean like it's like broken or anything. It's kind of broken, but not really. The engine should be good, I believe, but I'm definitely gonna have to refresh that. My rear end is actually making noise again. You guys know that I blew up the stock G80. I do have a True Track in there with my gears, but that thing's making noise again. So I didn't just forget about it. I just want to take care of some things on it first. But other than that, it still moves. So let's see how it sounds. Still sounds great. So this thing hasn't moved in like 2 weeks, and it just fired right up. So if you guys remember, I did put the Borla exhaust on here. So if you guys came from one of my way older videos, it no longer has Corsa, it no longer has Black Widow, but this is what we're running with right now. It's the Borla Pro XS. It's true duals. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get this moved out the way so we can get that thing in there pulled out. Secret to a manual LS car to get it to sound Instagram worthy is we're just gonna take this AC knob here, and that's how you get an LS car that's a manual to shop.
Later.
All right, so you guys could tell by the sunlight here, it is now a few hours later. It is time to go to the meet. We got Nightwing all shined up here, tire shine on the tires, water spots removed from the paint, at least from what I can see. So we're actually late to this meet, so I need to stop talking, and we're gonna go ahead and make our way over to all the Mopars, all the Scat Pats, all the Hellcats, and see what we get into. All right, let's get on the road. Seems like we got a small turnout so far, so let's see what we got.
A few moments later.
All right, so I'm sure you guys can tell from the last clip, all the Mopars are now here, or at least most of them. So I'll walk around and see if I can get some more action. Pulling in. We got some of my people here. Bro.
Oh, they tripping.
Where you at? Hey, little man, where you at? Come on. Nah, man, don't shoot me. I'm recording. Come on, little man.
Oh, he getting a video here.
Enemy spotted.
Got him!
6.2. So we came to this new spot, but it is literally utter chaos, so I'm not finna deal with the cops again. So I guess let's just get some footage of what's going on then. Looks like that cop might be going where I just came from. Seems that way. So if he is going that way, I'm glad I'm leaving right now. Alright guys, so we're going to wrap up this video right here. Obviously I'm not at the meet no more, and I'm about to be home right now. Decided to pull over so I could close out this video. This car, well, let me rephrase this. No Scat Pack was a match for this car. Even though we didn't get a true side-by-side run in, they hurt this thing. They tried the mash on it, and even while spinning they could not keep up with this thing. So that was a job well done. You guys, I tried to get some of the chaos that was going on, but obviously if you guys been to Mopar meets, you know, you've seen one of them, you've seen pretty much all of them. So I got the stuff that I could because it was kind of going on all over the place. I know in one of the previous clips I did say that I was gonna leave so I didn't have to deal with the cops anymore, and we actually got pulled over getting off the highway, and the cop comes up to me and he says it's illegal to chop this hard. So had me scared a little bit because I was like, I didn't do anything. I don't know what he's gonna get me for. So he told me that it's illegal to chop this hard, but he pulled me over just to say the car is nice and everything. So W for him, and definitely, you know, something to make my night or whatever. So he said he had a GA GT. He was telling me about his car. So overall positive interaction, unlike those cops that were at the meet that shut it down. So other than that, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this style video. Like I did mention, it's a little bit different from what we usually do. So if you guys did enjoy, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe if you want to, and message me on Instagram. It is the same as the channel name, Trent5Tree. I will drop it right here for you guys. And besides that, I'll catch you guys on the next one.